It's finally warmed up, guys, so we're gonna start with the grilling of the pork spare ribs, and we're gonna do some cornbread with it. So these are the 2 eggs that we have prepared to get started with the cornbread. Alright, so here we have the rest of the ingredients put together to do the cornbread. We're gonna be using a southern cornbread muffin mix, and I'm not gonna even bother try to pronounce that name there. And then we have evaporated milk and some oil. Okay, adding a little bit of flour to the mix. And some more cornmeal. 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch more salt, okay. Just adding the mixture of the egg with some of our secret spices and the evaporated milk. Oh my goodness. Okay. Making sure we get everything in there. Now for the oil. Okay, so we're mixing everything together, and we'll soon be transferring this lovely mixture into a pan. Okay, so she just added about a cup of corn and just mixing that in, and then we're soon going to put it in the pan.
Get the spatula and I can get everything.
Okay, she's pouring the
Get the spatula.
mixture into the get a little closer look at it there. Okay, just scraping all of that goodness into the pan, not wasting a thing. Okay, we just placed it in the oven, and we'll let you see what it looks like when it's finished. And the cornbread is ready. Thanks for watching, guys.